give a little egg, just little, mix well, just little, and then mix well. Yeah, like this. You can making this just one layer or more. If you want to make more layer, this is just one layer. This is just one layer. If you want to more, give more layer. Put in your plate again, and then give flour again. Egg flour. Give egg again. Sticky like this, like this, so sticky, you can. Okay, understand? Yeah. Okay, do it now.
And this is there is no more. Ini.
Ken. Ah, all.
Bentar.
All here.
No, not all. Table. Yes, never mind. Mix. More, give more.
Now.
Yes. Be careful. Again. I like fancy or not?
Buat jurutnya Kak.
Makasih. Makasih lo ya.
Iya, ada.
Terima kasih, kurang banyak. Terima kasih ya. Dari muridnya teacher cinta, terus saya tercinta.
Oh ya, makasih ya, makasih.